Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a pixel on WordPress. Understanding your website visitors is key to successful online marketing. A pixel is a small piece of code that collects valuable data on user behavior, like page views, purchases, and form submissions. This data allows you to create highly targeted ad campaigns, measure their effectiveness, and ultimately improve your return on investment. We'll cover two primary methods for installation, ensuring you can choose the best approach for your site. One way to install your pixel is manually. First, you'll need to locate your pixel's base code from your advertising platform. Then, access your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and select Theme File Editor. Find the header.php file and paste the entire pixel code directly before the closing head tag. Remember to save your changes. This method offers precise control, but requires careful attention to avoid breaking your site's functionality. For a simpler approach, consider using a WordPress plugin. Many plugins are designed specifically for pixel integration, or you can use a general header and footer script plugin. Install and activate your chosen plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. Once activated, navigate to its settings, where you can typically paste your pixel ID or the entire pixel code into a designated field. This method is user-friendly and minimizes the risk of errors compared to manual editing. After installation, it's crucial to verify your pixel is working correctly. Download a browser extension, such as the Pixel Helper, to check if the pixel is firing on your website. Additionally, log into your advertising platform's pixel dashboard to confirm that data is being received. Once verified, you can begin setting up custom events to track specific actions, like button clicks or form submissions, providing even deeper insights into your audience's journey on your WordPress site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.